Hey out there, it's your boy Gadget Fox coming back to you yet with another video. This one's going to be different. I'm not sure if you realized it, but there's blood in the waters currently for these retailers that sell electronic goods. For many reasons, people are just not buying. You got tired of these high prices. You've got the possible recession looming, so people are making better choices on how they spend their dollars. You've got recent rumors that Intel is going to continue with the 1700 socket set. You also have got Computex out there. But the bottom line is their pain is our pleasure. And if you haven't seen it, the Z690 boards out there have been bundled down to great pricing and also include great components to go ahead and just upgrade to the 1700 socket set if you haven't already. Guess what? Your boy's doing that. I'm gonna walk you through it, what I've done. Say bye-bye to my 11th gen i7 with a Z590 Unify MSI board, and I've gotten and done this. Is pick up a new Intel Core i9 13900KF. LGA 1700, the F just makes it $10 cheaper. It's going to sleep in the Asus ROX Maximus Z690 Hero motherboard. It's an overclockable motherboard that's really good, and also it was bundled for $539 with some free DDR5 RAM, 32 gigabytes, and a Samsung 980 1TB SSD. Great bundle, but you're gonna have to do a BIOS flashback because the Z690 isn't going to have the drives to support the i9 13th gen chip I purchased. So here we go, flashing it. Letting that happen, let me show you the features that got me excited. The Wi-Fi 6E, the DDR5, the PCIe lane, and especially the PCIe 5.0 because of this sucker right here. Now, right now, I don't need 5.0 SSDs. Okay, it's not necessary. And also, they're way too expensive. But this thing just looks so high speed. I just hope when I finally get an SSD that does 5.0, I remember where I put it. I was able to pick up a high performing processor. Also, the motherboard is high performing. What that equals is heat. So in order to keep that processor down and cool, I decided to go with the ID Cooling FrostFlow X280. Now this thing is massive for only having two fans. It's 280 millimeter radiator, which is bigger than your typical 240, and it comes with two 140 millimeter fans. I can't wait to see how well this does at keeping the i9 cool for me. Maybe I should just let some music play while I put this thing together. So I was contemplating a lot about what type of RAM I should use for these setups. I came across the Neo Forza, it was 64 gigabytes, then the Kingston Fury for 32 gigabytes, boring, typical size. Then I came across the Vantage DDR5 48 gigabytes. That's an odd number. And then also I have the Oloy Blade DDR5. Never seen them, but I like the cover. I like the thing with the brass and the black. It looks very James Bond like.